Alright guys, welcome to the video. This is part 2 of our 10 note sound kit. So, a little bit of just other information. Carrie has 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. If you hear a voice in the background, it might be X-Ray Tony B. I'm watching his video. I'm watching it. I'll watch it again. He's got a new camera. I can't keep up with Adrian Blackwell. He just pumps out the videos too much, but I will try to keep up on those. And Gamers Nexus, I forgot how much I like that. Their reviews so much more than Linus Tech Tips. Linus is always like, he's just a little squirrely guy. Like, I just like Gamers Nexus so much better. They just like, it's just more interesting. It's more techy. It's more, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, so we have the kit, and we didn't do this together, but I put I don't want to move this. Okay, so I put the wires and I put the heat shrinks on heat shrink. That's what we call it, heat shrink stuff. Well, let's just show you. It's okay. But I did that off. Oh my god! So I'm looking back here, trying to figure out. Oh, like the camera's this way. Okay. So. Oh my god. Stop. Okay. Okay. There. There it is. That switch with the heat shrink. That switch with the heat shrink. And there's the kit and the speaker. So you can have that's a 32 ohm speaker. I'm getting I'm electro boom. I'm getting electrocuted. No. It's okay. It's okay. I'm good. Okay, so I have the oscilloscope hooked up. You can see it back here. We're going to turn it on, and it is the Chaney Electronics Kit. The other video, sorry about it, I was up for 3 days in a row. And I made that video after being up for 3 days in a row. I'm applying for jobs, and you know, my addiction is the internet, Instagram, and YouTube, and caffeine. You have that, plus my mind. You put all those together, and yeah, it's easy not to sleep for 3 days. Not healthy, but I feel so much calmer after that. But it's like, it annoys people, I'm sure, because they're like, okay, all right, you could just always speed up the videos. You can always speed up the videos, you guys. Be smart about it. Okay, so we don't have our carbon dioxide thing going on. I shut the window because we have Easter tomorrow, and anytime around the... See, this is how I get distracted. Wait, what was that noise? Okay, so, yes, it is Saturday, Easter. There's a lot of traffic on the highway. That's how I'm cheap. I can't even afford food. I mean, I can afford food, but it's a luxury. Insurance, food, it's a luxury. I can eat spaghetti and peanut butter. It's cheap. But you go beyond that. Okay, that's not what this video is about. But yeah, I'm so conservative. But then I have all this stuff, and you're like, well, how does this all work together? But I'm saving all this stuff. But it's all good stuff. It's all, kits and stuff. It's not like it's, In-N-Out burger trash and stuff. I mean, here's a bunch of cases. And as you know from the, see how distracted I get. Like it's 5 minutes into it. And I want to, and I won't be happy until I explain to you guys that these are black cases. They are nice. They are smaller, but I do like the clear ones. As I'm tired of myself sometimes. Okay, all right, let's get to the video. Okay, so we have. This is has a 9-volt thing on it, but as the voltage changes, it does have. It's analog, but we have digital. We have two 555s, and then the 4017. On there. Okay, so let's go. You can see the waveform. We'll just demonstrate it a little bit. We won't make this video 2 hours, but you can see my hands. This is so crazy. Like the theremin, my hands are influencing. So the frequency is, without moving, it's bouncing around between 915 and 865 hertz. But as I move in, it goes higher. We have 515, 315. This is so cool. I mean, I'm adding, that's not part of the kit. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I recommend this kit. Highly recommend this kit. This is a lot of fun. You could put these potentiometers on a nice box. Get a nice box. Put them on there. We'll make some comments and then we'll go play with it. Yeah, you could put some nice box. Like, you could actually extend these wires and make copper. Put copper on the box to touch it and influence it. Then we have the 10 potentiometers, and you could have those all on there. This one on there, which is this one on there, has the, like, I'm going to say beats per minute. Kind of. That's the thing behind it. So I do have the plus screwdriver. Is it Phillips? Oh, I was thinking of something funny, and I have to say it, and then we won't have to talk about it anymore. We have X-Ray Tony B, and then we have Kill Tony, the comedian on Monday. X-Ray Tony B. Wouldn't it be nice to have X-Ray Tony B do 60 seconds of stand-up comedy on Tony, or on Kill Tony? I think I could come up with 60 seconds of it, just like picking on myself and just probably saying things that I would regret. But it's not gonna help me. Okay. All right. So let's play with this. Not 9 minutes into this. God damn it. Okay. All right. I just have so much anxiety because I'm trying to control everything and get it, and that's why the video, no one's gonna watch a 2-hour video. Okay, so I mean, some people will. I mean, a kid probably clicked on it or something. No, I'm just kidding. It could be better. That could have been a lot better. I could have edited it. Okay, so we're moving on. We gotta move on. Okay, so here's the kit. 10 minutes in, 10 minutes in, and we're going to finally get to playing with it. But we do have it on here, and like I said, it was bouncing around. It was like 313 hertz, and then it was like up to 850, and then as we move it around, so let's just have a couple minutes of messing around with it, and you can see the boundaries of it, but you can always push it more by adding more capacitance, changing the resistors. These, all of these potentiometers are, where are they? 50K. So it would be so much interesting to get 100K and put them in there, you know. And then on some of these resistors, to have the lever thing with the, and I got some of those from Electronic Gold Mine, and I think those are 50K, but you can manipulate or change the resistance with the lever. So I mean, you could bling this out. Like I should do that. I mean, I should continue on with that. Put these. I have the potentiometers and knobs. I have a nice box that's bigger with a clear top, and then hook it up to an amp. Put it in my car, and then when I'm at the stoplight and people are having their, I live in Indiana and they have their country music. I like rap. It has to be faster. You have to keep it going. Hyper pop, rap. You know, I need something that goes faster. Like country music, I almost want to just like take a knife and like start, you know, cutting myself or something. Because so, like, let's get it going. Let's get it going. But they actually do have country rap. Like, it's hilarious. I found, oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. Just start the video at 12 minutes and 30 seconds. We have the Chaney 10 note sound system synthesizer. And let's play with it for a few minutes. In the voltage, oh, I'm getting electrocuted. Okay, that's 350 hertz. Let's turn it up to 9 volts. Turn up to 9 volts. Yeah, so if you had a 9-volt battery, oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I could entertain myself with this for hours. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is too much. I love those sounds. This is so cool. Okay, Chaney did a really good job. Recommend it. This is a lot of fun. And like I said, this one on the top there does the RPMs, not RPMs, beats per minute. I mean, we're gonna call it that, but it's analog. So beats per minute is a number. Okay. Oh shit. What was that? I like that squealing. This is too much fun. I don't deserve this much fun. Oh my gosh. This needs to be blinged out more. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god. I love those sounds. Okay, that's 1200 hertz, 1400 hertz ish. Oh wow. There we go. There we go. The frequency is way more than 1700. That frequency is way more than 1700 hertz. 2 kilo? Is that 2 kilo? That's way more than 2 kilohertz. Uh, no. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. I could, I could just play with this. I need to put this in a box. This is awesome. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yes, this is so cool. I'm easily entertained, you guys. Oh wow, look at that one. It's a machine gun explosion. You could edit that on your SoundCloud. Just edit a little bit of that. Ah! Okay, we'll wrap this up around 18 minutes. This is awesome. I recommend this kit. This is so cool. So many different things you could do with this. I love those sounds. You could edit those into SoundCloud and then manipulate them further on. You could use this as a I mean, the sky's the limit. Music is awesome. Electronics are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Saturday Night Live is on tonight. I don't know who's on. I need a job, electronics job. I had an interview. Have a great weekend. Have a great Easter. Peace out, man.